Well, there it is. Going back out here at our local park. Been out here before several times, quite a few times really. The park's over 40 acres, so you can never go over everything, the stuff you miss. So this morning I've got about an hour and a half here I'm going to do this little area right around these trees, just over that little brown spot over there, and come back here, see what we find out. We'll dig it. It's not a penny. Just I don't know how to clean it up. It's some kind of metal. No, I didn't either. Well, fooled me, but I'll throw this in trash. Well, I'll be darned. We get us a little bit of jewelry here. Yeah. Well, there it is. Nice little piece of jewelry. I'll clean it up at home. That's a good find. 1920 here. Should be a penny. There it is. Yeah, it looks like an old corroded old penny here. This soil really raises heck with them. So got us a 21 plus here. Not sure if it was in the grass or. There it is. There it is. Well, looks like a penny. And there's your penny, bounced around. I'm gonna guess a penny. There it is. Nope. How's a leaf? There. Little washer nut. Yeah, over there. Well, looks like we might have come across the penny here. $19.20 is good enough. I'll dig it. There it is. Found one of those out here before. Yeah, it's copper gas fitting. This one here looks like it might have not that old. My pointer couldn't pick it up, so this grass is so thick, but my Aquanaut did. Pretty soft right there. Yeah, I'm hitting something right there, metal, or cement. Yeah. I think I just saw it. Yep. Sure enough. Aluminum can, way down there. Yeah, I kind of thought so. Been here before. On my detector, a low number, and then when I pinpointed it was really loud. So the way my system is set up for just silver and that, I'm maybe just going to check this to see. Could be some gold. Years. There it is. Huh. Have it on. Piece of trash. Yeah. Bottle cap. It really didn't show anything. It just had made a loud noise when I pinpointed it. 18 to 24. Sometimes there's, you know, some coins in with some trash, so it's gonna be my last dig. It's, believe it or not, I think it's starting to sprinkle out here a little more than just a drizzle. Boy, it's roots or something else. Yeah. Well, I only got something out of it. It's a little aluminum cap, smashed up. Now, well, I only spent about 45 minutes out here today. It's really an overcast, gloomy day, but I'm a little tired. I was hunting yesterday for about 3 hours in another park, so this is all I ended up with. A little bit of junk, a little aluminum cap. That, when I dug that, I said it's a really low number, and I'm going, well, maybe it might be gold. Well, it had the right color. That's some kind of fitting there. Your usual pull tabs, and 2 pennies, and this little piece right here. It's brass. I've used my magnet on it and cleaned it up, and I could scratch it off. But it's probably some type of a bracelet. But I'm going to Google it when I get home. So that's about it for today. It wasn't easy, but I didn't dig any 12 or 13s. We'll see you next trip.